Ladies and gentlemen, students and my teachers, today I want to talk to you about a very important part of our Indian Constitution, the preamble. The preamble is the introduction to our Constitution and it sets out the fundamental principles and objectives of our nation. The preamble was adopted on November 26, 1949 and it has been a guiding force for our country ever since. It reads, we the peoples of India having solemnly resolved to constitution India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberties of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equalities of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignities of the individual and the unities and integrities of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26 days of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. The preamble is a powerful statement of our nation's values and goals. It enshrines the principles of justice, liberties, equalities and fraternity, which are the foundations of our democracy. The preamble also emphasizes the importance of secularism, socialism and democracy. It reminds us that our country is a sovereign nation where the power rests with the people and citizens of India. It is our responsibility to avoid the values and principles enshrined in the preamble. We must work toward creating a just and equitable society where every individual has the opportunity to grow and develop. Let us strive to promote fraternity and unity among all citizens regardless of their caste, creed or religion. Let us work toward creating a nation that is truly sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic. In conclusion, the preamble to our Constitution is a powerful reminder of our national values and goals. Let us uphold these values and work toward creating a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Thank you, Jai Hind.